if I'm going to see Black Panther 2, this is definitely the way I'm trying to dress. And that's on period. Hey, sweetie fam. Welcome back to my channel. I am Patra.pearson Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, and if you haven't been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified. I drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. on this channel. We talk about sneakers, luxury lifestyle, and fashion, and this is the place to be for all of that. And that's on period. Today's video is no other than how you gonna style yourself when you go see Black Panther on Friday. Like I want to see the looks. I want to see the vibe. Are you going with sexy? Are you going with chic? Are you gonna give it a little vintage? Like I want to know what the looks are gonna look like. But if you do not know, which a lot of times we can barely remember what we're gonna do in the next 2 hours, I am going to help you on how to style for Black Panther premiere at your movie theater. I do understand that the Black Panther premiere, the large Black Panther premiere has already came and went. And shout out to everybody that was invited that went and styled. I know they wore all black, but a little birdie told me that we went all white because it's new becoming. We celebrate life because we no longer have Chadwick Boseman, who was the original Black Panther. Okay, when it comes to the Black Panther movies, so we're gonna wear all white, and baby, we're gonna lay it on thick. Let's get into it. If I'm going to see Black Panther, this is how I'm going. This is definitely how I'm going. Okay, this is how I'm going. Now let's get into this look. We have a simple button down or button up all white top. We got a button down. I flattened the collar. A lot of gold jewelry. The gold accents was really important to this look. Definitely was. Definitely was. And then we have this forever piece, which is this high-low tutu skirt from Rainbow. Look at that, with the trail on it. With the trail on it. Boots. Thigh-high boots from Shein. Y'all know these are fan favorite. These are fan favorite here. Look at that. Simple. But very stylish. Very cute. I mean, it's ready for the occasion. If I'm going to see Black Panther 2, this is definitely the way I'm trying to dress. And that's on period. That's on period. Y'all know we're supposed to be wearing all white. Y'all know we're supposed to be wearing all white. I'm loving this, y'all. Hair pulled back in a pony. You know, got your little curls going on the end. It's giving a look. A little light makeup. A little light beat. When I say light beat. This is how I'm going. This is your style. This is definitely chic and stylish. This is how you go into the Black Panther premiere on Friday. We back with look number 2. I mean, the body contrast definitely is going to give what it's supposed to give. Now this one I did add a little pop of color. So you know the last time we wore all black to the Black Panther movie premiere. This time we're going to wear it all white. However, we're gonna reminisce for T'Challa. So add a little bit of that black back into it. Alright? We got the black on the bottom of the platform. The black faux fur. You got the black lenses in your shades. Yes, okay. So jacket is from Pretty Little Things. I love this jacket. I'm gonna put the video of the review for this jacket. I had some other jackets that I wore as well. Dresses from Charlotte Russe. Y'all had this dress for about 5 years and I never wore it. Baby, it's coming out today. It's coming out today. Now let me tell you, as much as I love that tutu look, the hollow tutu look is definitely, I would say, more me. As my confidence increased, and I have a whole lot of confidence, baby, this is giving. It's, or should I say it gave. It did. Y'all know where the boots is from. The jewelry is pretty much the same. The glasses are from a boutique in New Orleans that was like in the middle of the mall. So I don't really remember the name of that. But yeah, this is definitely fit for Black Panther coming out the premiere on Friday, November 11th. You may say this is too dressed up, but I say this is for the culture. As it should be. As it should. Listen, listen, listen. Sweetie fam, you know I'm going to do a sneaker look. It wouldn't be right if I didn't, okay? Now, I added the jacket for some pizzazz. This lace is doing it for me. It's absolutely doing it for me. It is doing it for me. Now, I added like the neutral gray because it just gave something to the look. So, we still got all white. All white. I didn't think all white Air Force Ones. And if I have any shoes that's a bit more classier, more chic, it's going to be the Cardi B's. It's going to be the Cardi B collection collab with Reebok. It's going to be. They almost have the most sexiest shoe or sneaker on the market. And so with it being like platinum, the color being a platinum silver, I had to add silver jewelry at my ring, my watch, glasses, earrings, and I kind of went really big with the earrings to I would say the bedazzled rhinestone earrings to match my watch, my ring, and my glasses. Then I added the silver hat. Now I know you're thinking like, oh, your purse, it has gold detailing. Hey, listen, I really like this purse, and this purse did something different for this look than any other look that I had with white purses, okay? So, it is what it is. It is what it is with the gold detailing on this purse. But I enjoyed this look. It's the fall of the pants and the lace blazer is really giving this look like classy, like chic. It's giving, where are you going? Because I want to go too. So, that's what I love about this look. I'm going to be honest, I may have to wear this for date night, baby, because I look good. I looks good. Now, in the other looks, I had the thigh-high boots on. I could definitely put them thigh-high boots on. I actually have some ankle Bottega-inspired boots as well that I could have put with this look. Those boots are white with a black platform, so that's why I chose not to wear them. But they only come to the ankle, so it would have gave the outfit an even different look. But I like the way this look. It doesn't look very street. I didn't want a street look. I wanted a very like vintage chic look, and I wanted a bit more sexier look. So like the bodycon dress gave it obviously gave sexy. This gives sexy without even really like thinking about it. Meaning it's not obvious, but you know you end up like, okay, this is definitely sexy. So that's why I went with this look with the sneakers. Period. Black Panther comes out on November 11th, 2022, which is my daughter's 5th birthday, which is also Veterans Day. So it's a big day. It's a big day for our household. And I know last time when Black Panther came out, we were all black. This time, we're celebrating life because Chadwick Boseman is no longer with us. So that's why we went white. White celebrates life. It celebrates new becomings. It celebrates pushing forward. And that's what Black Panther 2 is all about. I have not seen it, but I'm super excited to see it. So y'all dig deep. Get your white looks out. And let's show out. The first time we're wearing black, but this time we're going to wear white. And that's on period. Now, if you still choose to wear black, I dig that because that's the originator. That's, you know, that's the beginning. And we want to feel that feel we felt when we all went to the theaters, rushed to the theater in February of, I think it was 2018, to see the movie. Comment down below and tell me which one is your favorite. Because honestly, they all show a little bit of me in every look. Yeah, if you haven't been before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified. I drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. Don't forget to go out and watch Black Panther 2. I'm forever patient Denise. And y'all be sweet.